Okay, greetings and assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Welcome to another video. In the last video, we have created the workspaces of the three users. One is the AD users, and other one is my own user, which is Munib, and the third user for the demo purpose I have taken is the Ahmed user. Okay, so these three workspaces have been created, and as you can see that the status has showing available. It means that we are ready to go with the using workspaces. Okay, so I will start by using one by one. I will use the first workspace of the AD7. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the options. Like if you go to directories in the workspace console, so I just wanted to show you that if the option is enable or not. What options I am talking about? Basically, we have the options to either access it from the web access. We can access the workspace from the web console or from the client application. Okay, so let's just go to edit option, and I just wanted to enable only web access and uncheck all these options. Okay, web access and zero client. Zero client means desktop application. Okay, and just save it. Then another thing we have to do right now is to go to access control options and deny all, because we will only use Windows and we have to allow all, and then save it. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you how we can access the AD server workspaces. Okay, okay, as you can see that if I go to AD server workspace, and it will show me the registration code. This is very important. You have to just copy it, and clients link. We have to go to this link, and you can see that this is the official web page of Amazon Workspace. So either we can use access the web access console to use this workspace, or we can use this Windows setup to download this on my own system, and then we can use it. So right now I'm going to install this setup, and let me just go to web access and launch it. Okay, so let's just see. As you can see that right now it is asking me the registration code. Register it, and then it will ask me the username and password. Okay, so let's just grab the username of the AD server, which is AD server in this case, and then sign in. And I just need to show you one option. Okay, AD server and the password that I have given, sign in, and it will go to the workspace console. As you can see that it is connecting it. This is the one way that you can access your newly created workspace from the console, from the browser, and I will show you accessing my own workspace of this one from the desktop application. Okay, so let's just wait for the desktop screen. Okay, so right now it is taking a lot of time. Let me just open my new workspace in a desktop client. Okay, so right now I am opening the workspace application. You just have to type Amazon Workspace, and then it will pop up the window, and it will ask you the registration code as well as the username and password. Okay, okay, so let me just see Munib and the password that I have configured earlier, and then sign in. So as you can see that it is launching session. I don't know why it's taking a lot of time on the web access. but as you can see that I am able to access the Munib workspaces. Okay, so this is the workspace of Munib, Amazon Workspace, and let me just show you WinWorld. So this is basically 2022 server based Windows 10 machine. Okay, and in the meantime, let me just open the new workspace of Ahmed. Okay, so right now I am accessing the other workspace, which is the Ahmed's one. So let's just copy the username as Ahmed. In all the workspaces, the registration code will be same, but only difference you will see with the is the username and a password that you have defined or the users have defined by their own. Okay, so one thing people would be confused that can we have multiple sessions at once? So yeah, definitely. As I have already a session of Munif's one, so I can use other session at a single at once. Okay, so let me just paste the Ahmed username and the password was okay, and then we will see. You can see that it is also connected. If I split the window, this one and then this one, so as you can see that I'm able to access the two workspaces. What this one is the Munif one, and the other one which is ready, and it will be available to use in a while, is the Ahmed's one. Okay, so as you can see, this one is the Munif one, and the other one is the Ahmed one. So let me just change the wallpaper, and I will show you the difference. Okay, maybe just try using another browser. Okay, I'm using the Mozilla Firefox, and let me just check if this thing works on other browser. If this thing works, so I will use this browser for the rest of the video. If this thing doesn't work, I will stick to the Amazon Workspace client application, just like this one. Okay. Okay, so right now I'm accessing the AD server workspace just to see if this workspace is being connected or not. Yes, it's working on the desktop application. So it's okay, don't worry. We will stick with the desktop application. But actually, I used the Web Access Console last 2-3 months ago, but it was working perfectly. But I don't know why it is not allowing me to use the Web Access. I just needed to figure out. Okay, but right now I'm okay. I'm good to go with the desktop application of Workspace. Okay, so this is the AD Workspace. Okay, and let me just show you what needs to be configured in order to make this workspace as an Active Directory server. Okay, here are some points which I will go through in the upcoming seconds. Okay, so these are the points I wanted to share with you. Basically, for making a single workspace or an EC2 as an AD server, we need to install RSAT. What basically RSAT is? RSAT stands for Remote Server Administration Tool. Why do we need to use this tool? Basically, this tool allow us to manage Active Directory users, group policies, and other Active Directory related tasks. So, in order to use this workspace is the AD server workspace. So we just need to install the RSAT server RSATs feature. Okay, how can we install it? Just simply go to Server Manager. Okay, okay, just go to Server Manager. Okay, right now I'm inside the server manager. So we have to go to add roles and features. Okay, it will take some time to get the inventory data. I guess it has taken. And let's just, okay, as you can see that we can easily install the RSAT. Okay, so first of all, uh, it is basically a role-based or feature-based setup installation. Right now, what we are doing is that we are installing the RSAT remote server administration tool on this workspace, and we are going to use this workspace as an AD server. Okay, so let's just go to next, click on next, and then we have, okay, go to next again. We would be having, if you scroll down a little bit, yes, you can see we have RSAT. Okay, and we have to go back to previous because we have to install the Active Directory AD, ADLDS, and ADDS, Active Directory Domain Service, and Active Directory Lightweight Domain Service. And click on next. And if we expand the remote server administration tool, I just need to expand it more. And SMTP server tools, okay, perfect. And role administration tools, okay, perfect. Just click on next. And click on next, 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 and then we will install this server role. I guess it will not install all of these roles because the thing is we have to, I guess it will not install this option in role because the thing is we have to, uh, we will be having username admin rights in order to install all of these tools and features. So let's just wait if this thing works. So it's well and good. Otherwise, we have to again install with the admin privileges. So how can we do it? I will show you the next step. If this thing fails, okay, I guess that it has installed ADDS, as you can see, ADDS, ADLDS, and let me just minimize this and see we can access the Active Directory users and computers. So in order to use this, run as administrator, it will ask, okay, it is working perfectly fine. As you can see that I'm in the Active Directory users and computer. And let me just expand this option so it will be more clear. Okay, so basically this is the forest. And if I go to users, so it should show me the users of the AWS where I have created Munib, Ahmed, and AD server. So as you can see that after seeing this user, AD server, Ahmed, and Munib. So we have successfully installed and configured the RSAT, which is remote server administration tool on this server. Now this server can be used as an AD server. Okay. So I guess this, let's just wrap this thing right now. And in the next video, I will show you how we can make a policy, a security policies I will mention each and every topic that will be required in order to make your infrastructure like workspace more secure. So stay tuned for that video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much, everyone, and take care of yourself and your loved ones. Allah Hafiz.